Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 over x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by this one. This one I will put about 1 over x and 1 over x. So 1 over x multiplied by this one. And this one go inside the square root. So this one multiplied by this one. Next, negative number 3, I will put about negative number 2 and negative number 1. About number 2, that is about x multiplied by 1 over x. This one, that is about identities. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put this one equals to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t squared minus 1. Later that we change by tan t squared. Then we simplify this one and this one. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have negative 1 over x squared. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have secant of t tan t dt. We see that this one they are positive, but this one they are negative. So I will put the negative side go to the right. So this one I will put in here. This one I will put in here. This one with the x we change by this one. This one we change by tan t squared. The square root of tan t squared we have tan t. And now we can simplify the integration of dt. We have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to arcsecant of 1 over x minus x. Later that I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.